I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a clear target, 3 IM norms plus a 2,400 FIDE rating. Use chess. Calm immediately for deliberate practice, tactics drills, opening prep, and end-game patterns, because consistent practice builds required performance. Simultaneously, sign up for FIDE-rated tournaments. Chess. Calm helps you analyze games and track progress. Once you have a plan, schedule at least 3 serious competitive events per year and keep a results log. This creates the foundation you need to generate norms. Next, focus on producing norm-level performances in qualifying tournaments. You need events with enough titled opponents and sufficient rounds, typically 9 to 11, so your performance rating meets IM norm thresholds. Use chess. Calm post-game analysis to understand where you lost or gained critical tempo. That is why you improve faster than random play. Make concrete adjustments to your opening repertoire and time control strategy. Once done, track each event's performance and certificate. Norms accumulate only when Finally, when you have 3 norms and a 2,400 FIDE rating, work with your national federation to submit the title application to FIDE. Make sure each norm certificate is accurate. Player names, ratings, and tournament details must match. Once submitted, FIDE will review and confirm the IM award. If anything goes wrong, first verify score sheets and opponent eligibility. Often a missing signature or incorrect rating causes rejection, so correct paperwork quickly and resubmit through your federation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.